What is up, you guys? Welcome back to episode number 3 of the M5 conversion build series. So in today's episode, we have something very, very special. This is probably going to be one of my favorite parts, excluding the fucking delivery of the car. Is that we're painting the entire chassis of the car. So all the body parts and everything's going to be paint matched, paint corrected and everything like that. So we just went inside the paint booth. The paint booth is actually pretty fucking dope. Okay. So as you can see that the car is getting painted inside. Outside over here it's fairly cold, but when you go inside, I don't know for what reason, it gets really, really hot inside. Maybe it's to keep the paint at a certain temperature, at a certain viscosity, I don't fucking know. But yeah, it's pretty fucking dope. They had, in the last episode they were applying, they were masking the car so that they could apply primer and just remove it. Now on top of the primer they've applied paint. If I'm wrong at any fucking step, correct me in the comments, because I'm just going off of what I can see. And the car has already been paint matched to the fender and the body parts of the car, of the original M5. So yeah, it's pretty fucking dope, the fact that they're painting the entire chassis that way. And yeah, this is going to be a fun project. Why are you getting white? Why the fuck are you getting white?
White because the original car is white.
The original car is white?
Yeah, the rest of the parts, bonnet, they can cut up. So whatever is not the chassis is going to be matching.
Exact paint code match, right?
Yeah.
Exact down to the...
Basically जो existing paint है वो उतरेगा.
Yeah.
Existing paint उतरेगा, base prep होगी.
Yeah.
Base prep होगी.
वो paint डालेगा.
Primer वगैरह सारी लगाइए. Okay, when the final paint is applied, it's smooth, nice finish. Like we have.
Why is it so fucking hot here?
Paint is big.
Okay. Mr. Heather Malik's first time driving a Marinus in 10 years?
Yeah,
10, 12, 13 fucking years. The lack of power steering you'll feel.
Brakes.
Yeah, oh yeah, no brakes. Full? Yeah.
I got the hang of it.
Yeah, you do. Not gonna lie. But for the longest time, I didn't know you knew how to drive stick.
I learned stick. We had a Land Rover Discovery. यहाँ पे Pakistan में.
Yeah.
Fucking turbo diesel, baby. That shit was fucking crazy.
Alright.
मेरा cousin था ना 990 he had a Amaran.
Yeah.
Rose पे petrol
Oh, bro, the amount of things I do to this car, man.
Oh, yeah, I can imagine.
Unspeakable. And bro, the lack of shocks or any springs, like you feel
At
it.
least you don't have to worry about fucking scraping the front lip.
Nothing, bro. Do you know how much we got a new bumper?
Oh yeah?
Guess how much it cost?
Huh?
Shit, you guessed it. 900. Oh, oh shit! It's a very torquey engine, by the way. It's very, very torquey.
I was about to say, yeah.
It's only the reason is because the car is only 600 kilos. वो तो नहीं है? Right there.
There should be two of them. हाँ जी यार किधर खड़े हैं मैं?
ओए नीचे कर ITP.
हाँ? सर शादी हाल है आप पहले नाम तो बता दें. चाचू शादी हाल है तेरे 50 है नाम देख लेना शादी हाल का क्या नाम है.
Where is this guy? We're trying to find the main guy who's supposed to load up the shit.
आप मेन रोड पे हैं या नहीं है? वो जो चौक है. यार भाई किधर है यार 2 घंटे से जलील कर दिया आपने. ओ चाचू शादी हाल केड़ा इधर 50 एक शादी हाल है. सर सारी मेन रोड पे आप नाम तो बता दें. सर होटल का नाम बता दें. इधर होटल ही होटल है. नाम तो बता दें.
The quest to find the people who are supposed to take his old 5 series stuff is a pain. We've roamed around half the sector and yeah, we're still roaming around. Thank God episode number 3 is a little bit extended now. This is a little bit fun parts behind the scenes of episode number 3. Fuck me.
Driver but Manchester can't even fucking find it. Where's my fucking vape at?
Bro, this is like the proper vape car.
Yeah man, I need a hit man. दिमाग खराब है.
Meran ki exhaust pipe ki taraf hai, sure. What do you think of the handling of the car, man?
Not bad actually. It's fun. I get one fucking like
600 kilos?
yeah, it's nothing.
It's nothing, bro.
बचती है ना फिर.
वो बचती तो है, bro. मतलब हाँ.
भी हो जाती है. Bumper delete.
Lekin I think this is a good car for just honing it around, tension free. No brakes, by the way.
Yeah, I know. I felt that real quick.
You felt that? Alright, I think we see them. Where are they? They're somewhere over there. The shitty iPhone zoom hopefully captures it.
ऑफ रोड चली जाएगी
हाँ full on bro it's me what do you bro ये नारायण का कान तक जाती है easy bro just gotta be a little bit careful because no suspension
yeah, I felt that, bro.
there we go
आपसे बात हो रही थी भाई यार क्या करते हैं ये अफजल
पता नहीं है
हाँ
आपको भी सही पता नहीं जगह
मुझे नहीं पता सर आप वो देखें अफजल मार्की वो देखें
देखो जो उधर से आप बंदे की बात कराए ना अपनी ये जगह बताए
वो कह रहे थे यूटेन सर वो देखें अफजल
अगर
मार्की
हम तो न हुए छोड़ो जो बंदे से मेरे को बात करा दिया
हाँ।
वो कहते इस तरह सीधे चले जाओ इस रोड के अंदर ही चले जाओ
ये 7 रोड जा रही है ये रोड है ये शोरूम नहीं नजर आ रहा आपको सामने ये शोरूम बार बार शोरूम
25 किलोमीटर आगे गया 20-25
वो आप तो अंदर आपको तो कहा था मारगला रोड पे ये मारगला रोड है इस पे रहना था
उधर पटान का जो आपने बात कराया ना कहते आ गए मैं शाला जीता गया
नहीं
25
आप
किलोमीटर
करीब थे वो आपको कह ये 7 रोड नहीं जा रही शोरूम मैं आपको भी कहता हूँ शोरूम वो देखो
शोरूम तो दूसरा शोरूम है उधर पे शोरूम है उधर पे शोरूम
आपको कहता हूँ मारगला रोड पे आएंगे ना ये मार्की है शादी हाल इनके साथ शोरूम वो सामने है चले छोड़े ना अब क्या हो सकता है ठीक है चले आप मेरे पीछे हैं
final verdict about these daughters man and yeah that's where we just take the car up it's time to get the original 5 series parts the 520D load them onto the truck and just sell them off wrap it up alright well, we have cling film as well shit alright guys so we're just like wrapping all this shit up in cling plastic all the parts that will eventually be sold off to some lucky buyer loading up the stuff. That's the first seat that goes in. That's the first of many. But unfortunately, we don't have enough time. I have to get to work. The cameraman has another commitment. Heather needs to leave. We're done with this one. Thank you so much for watching episode 3. But yeah, we're done with this one. Peace. Adios. Goodbye.